There's days I'm like, man, I wish I would have had hair again. Because I see everybody, you know, when I'm in the barber shop, everybody's getting these cool haircuts, and I'm like, yep, just a bald fade and trim the beard down. I wouldn't say hair loss has affected my career, because most of the time my career is me talking on the radio, so nobody would ever see my face, so it didn't matter. But when I would do public appearances, I was constantly wearing a hat because I was representing the station, and I didn't want to show up, you know, with bald spots on the front of my head. When I'm DJing at the Preds games, I'm wearing a hat. When I'm at a Titans game, I'm wearing a hat. Anybody sees me out in public, 99% of the time I'm wearing a hat. I've got a hat collection now, but now I've got options. I can wear a hat, I don't have to wear a hat. I'm excited to wake up and be like, you know what, no hat today, let me slide my hair to the side. A couple spots here and there, you're balding, you're losing your hair, you don't know what you're gonna do. It doesn't hurt to call and ask. There's so many advanced treatments here that they offer that there's options here. I mean, if you're nervous about either of the procedures, there's other ways that they could help you. We Grow Hair has been doing this for nearly 30 years. That's why I chose We Grow Hair.